Good morning, children. We started our lesson number 2, the Enlightened One. We learn about the Lord Buddha and Guru Nanak. In order to experience this light, we must cultivate in us noble thought that translated into good words and charitable deeds. The divine light enables us to walk on the right path, which leads to peace and happiness. So, who going to the right path of the God, which leads to the peace and happiness? Guru Nanak, he liked to remain in the company of sages and saints. His father gave money to do some business, but Nanak association with these religious men. He wanted Nanak to do some respectably job, get married and settle down in life. So he gave Nanak a substantial sum of money and told him to do some profitable business. But what Nanak done? Nanak took the money and left home in the company of a friend. They came across the group of hungry sadhus. He spent the entire money in helping those suffering holy men because they all are hungry. So he expended all the money. His friend tried to discourage Nanak for spending the money on the sadhu, that your father gave this money to do some business. But Nanak said, there cannot be more worthy use for this money than in helping these starving men of God. After spending the whole amount, Nanak returned home. Guru Nanak, the first Guru and founder of Sikh religion, was a genius who spent his entire life for the betterment of humanity. It is inspiring to note that Sri Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikh, contains hymns not only by the Sikh Guru but also by those of Hindu and Muslim saint. Next, once Swami Vivekanand was traveling by train. It has a hot summer noon. That time was very hot and the time was afternoon. He felt hungry and thirsty. So on that time, the Swami Vivekanand felt hungry and thirsty. Thirsty means प्यास लगना. भूखा था और प्यासा था. But what could he do? He had no money to buy food or drink. So Guru Nanak Guru Nanak's story is by helping the charitable deeds, and here the Swami Vivekanand have no money for to buy the food, so he was hungry and thirsty. He had no money to buy food or drink. He checked the picture at the stations. All of them were dry. He sat on a bench calm and quiet. Silently he went to the bench and sit there. To his surprise, a shopkeeper came running with food and water. A shopkeeper bringing food and water for Swami Vivekanand. He spread a mat on the platform and begged the Swamiji to sit down and enjoy the food. Very respectfully, he put a mat and gave the food and water to Vivekanand and was saying to enjoy the food. What happened? Swami Vivekanand was saying, my friend, we have never met each other before. I don't know who you are and we didn't meet with each other. You have perhaps mistaken me for someone else. You are mistake to see me. So you are thinking that other people I am, but I am not seeing you. No, Swamiji, said the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper was saying, No, Swamiji, I know you are Swami Vivekanand. The man was saying, But I know you are Swami Vivekanand. The shopkeeper continued saying, No, no, you are Swami Vivekanand. The heat of the day made me fall asleep and I had a dream. So, on that time, he had a dream. An angel appeared and asked me to take food and water for you. So, in my sleeping time, angel came and told me, he is a Swami Vivekanand. You take a food and water for that. I opened my eyes and I thought I was only a dream. Soon I fell asleep again. The angel came to me again second time. So the shopkeeper was saying, second time angel came and asked me to take food and drink of water for you. How good and kind of you, sir, to have taken so much trouble for me, said Swamiji. Swamiji was saying to the shopkeeper that you have taken so much trouble for me to bring this food and water. I have, the shopkeeper was saying, I have just obeyed the order of the angel. Angel means Devdut. Devdut means that in sleeping time the angel came. So that we are saying Devdut. Said the shopkeeper, I understand that you are a man of God. So the shopkeeper was saying, you are a man of God. The man fell at Swamiji's feet and begged to him and bless him. So what happened? The shopkeeper fell, mundi jukaya, at the Swamiji's feet and begged of him to bless him. Swamiji blessed him. Swamiji stretched his hands and touched him. So what done Swamiji? Swamiji stretched his hand and touched him on the head and said, God bless you, my friend. What Swamiji said? God bless you, my friend. God takes care of his children. He who created us knows our needs. So the God is helping the children and God knows that who want to help. So who created us knows our need. He knows what we need and when we need. Then God specially pleased with those who do his will. And God knows who will help. So in sleeping time angel come and told you to give the food and water for that man. So God specially pleased with those who do his will. Sadhu and saint are men of God. So who is the saint of the men of God? Sadhu and saint. Our parents, teachers and elders also represents God in a special way. So we are listening the elders one also. God is a special way. They are people of God. God inspires and enlightens us. Enlightenments you understand na? Understanding about a word. So the God inspire and enlighten. Inspire means प्रेरित करना, उत्साह बढ़ाना, to do something. So enlighten us through the lives of these people, through their proximity with God. Proximity, nikatata, पास आना with the God, and through their lives and service they draw us close him. They trust in and rely on God, and He in turn takes care of them. So we are doing to help the needy people. Holy men are people who walk and guide others on the path lightened by God. So the holy man is the people who walk and guide the others. They give the good suggestion, the right things to do on the path of lightened by God. so they light us to God. The holy men of God inspire and enlighten us. So, the holy man of God, पवित्र आदमी, होली मैन मीन्स जो पवित्र आदमी है, वो गॉड को इंस्पायर मीन्स प्रेरित करना, इंस्पायर एंड एनलाइटन अस. Lightness means illuminated, awakened, or conscious. So they are giving us to illuminate us, help us to go in a right path. So the important point is the holy men of God inspire and enlighten us. Thank you.